Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to have more than one Cash App account. Also, later in this video I'll show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. Cash App normally allows only one account per user based on your email and phone number. However, it is possible to create a second account if you follow certain steps carefully. First, you will need a different email address and phone number from your existing Cash App account. You can use a secondary email or phone number that you own and can access. Next, download or open the Cash App and tap on Sign Up. Enter the new email and phone number you want to use for this second account. You will receive a verification code. Enter the code to verify your new account. After verification, link a bank account or debit card that is not already connected to your first Cash App account. Cash App requires unique banking information for each account, so make sure it is different from your primary account. Once your second account is set up, you can use both accounts independently. You can switch between them by signing out of one and signing in with the other. Avoid using the same device to perform unusual or large transactions on both accounts, as Cash App may flag this activity for review. Having two accounts can be useful for separating personal and business transactions, but always follow Cash App's rules to avoid account suspension. By following these steps, you can safely create and manage more than one Cash App account in 2026. Now, if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.